On to question 2.2. The article reads as follows. John is interested in running a small internet station in a coffee shop. He searches the internet and finds the advertisement below on a website. All prices includes 14% VAT. Now we just need to remember that. I will underline it. Question 2.2.1. What does the acronym VAT stands for? You can refer to your textbook definition. There should be only one answer to that. V stands for value. A stands for added. T stands for tax. So that should be your answer. Moving on to question 2.2. Calculate the amount of VAT payable on the old price for the PPH. Now it's always important to underline your keywords. My first keyword is VAT payable. My second keyword is old price. My third keyword is PPH. This basically guides us to where to look at, because sometimes in the question there could be a lot of options to look at, but knowing your keywords should guide you where to look. So the question talks about PPH. You will notice there's PPH, there's UTM, but in this case we will look at PPH. That is our first keyword there. Our second keyword, old price. Now notice again, now in the question, are they talking about old price and new price? What we will need to do is to basically use our logical mind. We know that was should be equal to old. Now should be equal to new. Therefore, the was price should be the old price. The now price should be the new price. But the question asking about the old price, which is the was. So we know where to look at. The 988, the was price. Now let's determine the VAT payable of that 988. Let's work it out. Okay, our old price, we know the 988. Now let's work out the value added tax from that 988. You can use any of your textbook formulas that was provided to you. I'm just using one formula. So I'm going to use the old price multiply by the VAT amount, 14% over 114. That's a general formula. So old price multiply by the VAT amount over 114%. So let's work that out. You should be getting an answer of 0.122. Our final answer should reach 121.33 if you work it out. Our next question, 2.2.3, calculate the difference between the new price and the old price of the UTM. Again, let's underline our keywords. Calculate the difference. Difference is our first keyword between the new price, second keyword, old price, third keyword, UTM, fourth keyword. Again, we know we need to look at UTM. That was our last keyword. Our third or our second keyword we can use. Let you start with our third keyword, old price. The previous question we determined that was equals to old price. Now also new price, we also determined that now equals to new. So that's how we know what to look at. Our very first keyword, difference. Now we need to know the definition of difference. Definition of difference is usually the highest value minus the lowest value. The difference between the highest value minus the lowest value will give us the actual difference. That's how we will calculate it. So let's work it out. So we will first take the highest value, which is 223, minus the lowest value, which is 13. So that should be our answer. Working it out on your calculator, you should be getting an answer of 210. Yeah, that should be right.